वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे पुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः। प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। सर्वोपनिषदो गावः दुग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैः रणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः। पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितम्। लोके सज्जनषट्पदैरहरहः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयात् भारतपङ्कजं कलिमलप्रध्वंसि न श्रेयसे मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपात्तमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम् यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुवन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तं न विदुः सुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् Who are these two iPhones? The participant. The names are not there.
It's me, Sharanji. I just realized it's Geeta. The iPad thing voice doesn't come well, so I came on the iPhone as well. I disconnected the audio on the iPad. I'm sorry.
Another one?
I don't know. 2 and 4 is mine. Yeah.
Another
I just
iPhone.
came. Not sure.
Okay. Shloka number 31. You can read the shloka. Swadharmamapi chavekshya
Swadharmamapi chavekshya
na vikampitum hargasi
navikampitum
dharmyadhi yuddhat shreyonyat yasya na vidyate. After Upasamhara, after summarizing what we have been talking about from the 12th shloka onwards, summarizing in the 30th shloka. Now, Bhagavan Krishna, he says, Arjuna, Swadharmam, from the standpoint of Swadharma also. Swadharmam apicha avekshya. First, he talked about from the standpoint of Atma, Adhyatmika Drishtya, Atma Drishtya. Atma Drishtya, he said, Karta Karanam or any Karaka, Sarvam Brahma. When you know everything is Atma, all the Karaka, Upamardhanam happens. All the Karaka, it gets resolved into the understanding that Aham Brahma. In that Jnanam, it resolves. Karaka, Upamardhanam. Sarvam Brahma iti. Sarvam Brahma iti Vijñate sati. Then also Kinchit Kartavyam iti Upapadyate. When you know everything is Brahma, then you don't have anything to do. Kinchit na Upapadyate. From that standpoint also, everything being Atma, Kartavyam kinchit nasti, but still, one has to do karma to set an example for others to emulate. Jnani will not deviate from what he is supposed to do. Even though he knows everything is Brahma, Bhagavan, Ishvara, he doesn't have to do anything to gain anything. Kinchit kartavyam upabuddhyate. Even then, he will do his swadharma, being a jnani. So if you are a jnani, then also you have to do it. For what? To set an example for others. If you are not a jnani, then also you have to do, because it is your swadharma. You have to do it. And also, being a kshatriya and the raja, nripatehe prajanam paripalanam. That is a swadharma, yuddham swadharmaha nripatehe. Yuddha is the swadharma of a king. For what? Not just to conquer the other countries, but to protect the prajanam paripalanam. So therefore, swadharma is, yuddha is a swadharma for kshatriya. It is kartavyam. Kshatriyasya kartavyattvena vigitam. Vigitam should be done. Iti avekshya. Swadharmam picha vekshya. Iti avekshya. That is swabuddhya vicharya. Avekshya is seeing. So how do you see it? Swadharma buddhya vicharya. Having inquired with your buddhi. Swadharma buddhya vicharya. Vilokya. Swadharmam. Atma dharmam. The word swa is a sarvanama. A little about the grammar. Swa is sarvanama. It is declined like purva shabda if it is sarvanama, meaning one's own. Atmiya arte. Swa shabda, it is declined like purva shabda. In Pullinga, it can take any gender. Being in Visheshana, it can take any gender. Purvaha, purva, purvaha. The same way swa can be declined, which means atmiya, one's own, in that meaning. Swa has got other meanings also. Swa means jnati. Jnati means relations, kinsman. Jnati. It can also mean dhanam. Swa also means dhanam. In that sense, swa will be declined like Ramashabda. Swa will be declined like Ramashabda. Here, swa is used in the sense of one's own. Atmiya, atmanaha dharmam, swadharmam. Atmanaha dharmam, swadharmam. Therefore, atmanaha dharmam avekshya vicharya tvam vikampitam prachalayitam swadharmat chalitam na argasi. Swadharmam tyaktam na argasi. Iti Bhagavata Uttam. Bhagavan says, Swadharmataya kartavyam. Kartavyattvena prapte yuddhe. This yuddha which is you have got, which you have obtained in the form of to be done karma. You have to consider this swadharma as a yaga. Like a yaga adi karma. Yaga iva kartavyam. Therefore, shoka moghau imsari dosha vicharaha na kartavyaha iti kartavya vidusha iti suchitam. So what is indicated by Bhagavan is this yuddha which has come to you in the form of to be done karma, should be treated like an yagadi karma, and therefore this yuddha, which will be fraught with imsadi dosha, vicharaha na krittavya. So it should be inquired into the imsadi. It should not be approached with the view that this yuddha has got defects like violence. Yuddha means violence only. But what is the motive? What is the hetu? Hetu is to establish dharma, swadharmam, from the standpoint of swadharma and also being a kshatriya, praja rakshanartham. Praja rakshanartham. Therefore, so you have to see the hetu, because the reason for fighting. From the standpoint of the reason, therefore, it is a dharma karya only, even though yuddha involves violence. But since the hetu is praja rakshanartham, praja rakshanam, dharma paripalanam, therefore, this yuddha is dharma yuddha. Therefore, dharmyadhi yuddham, dharmyat yuddhat, dharmyat, dharma shastrat agatam dharmyam. Dharma shastrat agatam dharmyam. Dharmyam is the Tadita word. Dharmat anapetam. Dharmat anapetam dharmyam. Dharma shastrat agatam avagatam dharmyam. So therefore, dharmyam kartavyattvena vigitam. Kartavyattvena vigitam. Therefore, from this yuddha, dharmyat, anyat shreyah sadhanam kinchitana vidyate kshatriyasya. From this, there is no other karma, shreyas sadhanam. Shreyaha. Bhagavan uses the word shreyaha. Dharmyadhi yuddhat shreyonyat kshatriyasya. Shreyaha. Why Bhagavan uses? Because Arjuna had asked, what is Shreyas for me? Where did he ask? In the same chapter, 7th shloka, Karpanyadosho upagata svabhavaha prachami tvam dharma sammudha chetaha yaccheyasya nishchitam brugitam me shishyastegam shadimam tvam prapannam iti yat shreyaha tat mam shadi agam bhavatah shishyah iti Arjuna said. Therefore, Bhagavan says what is Shreyas for him. Being a Kshatriya, this Dharma Yuddha, Dharmat Yuddhat, Panchami, because there is a comparison. There is nothing better than Dharma Yuddha. Comparison is therefore Panchami. So, Shreyas Sadhanam Kshatriyasya na vidyate. Therefore, Tvam vikampitum na argasi. Tvam vikampitum na argasi. Why? Because the reason is Dharmat Yuddhat Shreyaha na vidyate kinchit. Therefore, so Bhagavan gives he says the reason also why it is. And in the Bhashya he said, Prithvi Jayat Dvarena Dharmartham Praja Rakshanartham Chaiti. That is the hetu. That is the hetu. Therefore, it is Dharma Yuddham. Dharmat Anapetam. Dharmyam. Anapetam. Apetam. Na apetam. Anapetam. Anapetam, it is derived from the dhatu, in gatav. Second gana. The pratyaya is added, tap pratyaya with upasarga, apa. You get anapetam. Not deviating. Anapetam is not deviating from dharma. And it is in keeping with Shastra. Therefore, it is dharmyam, dharma yuddham. Iti Bhagavan Krishna says. And we have seen the Bhashyam. Bhashyam also we have seen. The word Shreyaha, a little bit about word Shreyaha. Shreyas is a Shabda, which is Sakaranta Shabda. In all the genders, it can be declined. Here, Shreyaha is Shreyaha, Shreyasi, Shreyamsi. That is Napumsakalinga. Shreyat is, here it is neuter gender. Anyat also it is neutral gender. Therefore, Shreyas is Visheshanam. It's an adjective to Anyat. Shreyas means Shreyas Sadhanam. Shreyas Sadhanam. Shreyaskaram for Kshatriya is Yuddha. So, Shreyaha kinchit na vidyate iti. Iti Bhagavan says. And the word Shreyaha also we have heard in Kathopanishad. That is how the Madharmaraja unfolds the topic of the Vedanta. Shreyascha Preyascha Manushyametaha. The word Shreyaha you will come across in many places. Nishreyasa Sadhanam. Abhyudaya Nishreyasa Sadhanam. Abhyudaya is the pursuit of Dharma, Artha, Kama is called Abhyudaya, material prosperity. Nishreyas is Moksha, Moksha Purushartha. So the word Shreyas is very important. Now, the next shloka, shloka number 32, we will read the connection. Kutascha Tadyuddham Kartavyam Ityuchyate. Kutaha. Kutaha is for what reason? Kutaha. Kasmat. For what? Why?
Tadyuddham kartavyam.
Kutaha. Kasmat. Tadyuddham kartavyam. This yuddha should be done. Kartavyam iti uchyate. Iti Bhagavata Uktam. What is that? Yadrichaya chopapannam.
Yadrichaya chopapannam
Svargadvaramapavritam.
Svargadvaramapavritam
Sukhinah kshatriyah partha.
Kshatriyah partha
Labhante yuddhamidrisham.
Labhante yuddhamidrisham.
Yadrichaya yat ichaya. Yadrichaya, not ichaya. Yat richaya. R. Yat richaya. Yadrichaya. Cha upapannam. Svargadvaram apavritam. Svargadvaram apavritam. Sukhinaha. You have to say Sukhinaha, not Sukhina Kshatriya. Sukhinaha, you have seen this. It is Sharpare Kar Kshatriyaha. So therefore Visarga should be pronounced. Kshatriyah Partha Lavante Yuddham Idrisham. So Kutaha Yuddham Kartavyam. That already been said. Bhagavan has said, Vashakara said, Dharma Rakshanartham, Dharma Paripalanartham, Praja Paripalanartham. Dharma Rakshanartham, Praja Rakshanartham, Yuddham Kartavyam iti Uttam. Now one more reason he gives. One more reason. What is the reason? Yat Richaya. Yat Richaya, he Partha. Idrichaya Upapannam Apavritam Surgadvaram Apavritam Yuddham Idrisham Labante. Idrichaya means by chance. Idrichaya means by chance. Upapannam. Upapannam means that which has come. Upapannam. Agatam. Upapannam. Upapadyate. Upapannam. Padudatu. Upapannam. Idrichaya Upapannam. Praptam, agatam, praptam. Upapannam means praptam. Swargadvaram, Swargasya dvaram, Swargadvaram, Swarga kapatam, the door to Swarga, the entry to Swarga. Apavritam, open. Avritam, covered. Apavritam, open. So for a Kshatriya, war is, it is Dharma Yuddha is a gateway to Swarga. Swargadvaram apavritam. Swargadvaram apavritam. Therefore, Sukinaha Kshatriyaha Partha. Therefore it is Sukinaha. It is a fortunate thing for a Kshatriya. It is a fortunate thing for a Kshatriya to get such war. Labante. Idrisham Yuddham labante. For a Kshatriya to gain this such type of Yuddha, Idrisham Yuddham, battle, it is conducive for Sukham, and also it will open up the gate to Swarga. It will open up the gate to Swarga. Therefore, He Partha, Utayaha Putraha Partha. He Partha, Idrichaya Eva Upapannam Praptam. That you did not ask for. In fact, you wanted to avoid the war, but it came. Therefore, without effort it came. Ayatrena Praptam. Ayatna Praptam. And this Praptam Yuddham is Swargadvaram. That is Swargasya Kapatam. Udghatita Kapatam. The Kapata, the door to Swarga will be opened. Swarga Prapti Dvara Bhutam. It is conducive to go to the Swarga Loka. Such Yuddha, Idrisham Yuddham. Sukinaha, it is Sukartinaha. It is Swarga Sukartinaha. Why it is Sukinaha? Because it is Swarga Sukartinaha. Therefore, being a Kshatriya, you become a Dhanya. You become a Dhanya Purusha. And this can be obtained only if you have Punyam. So, Punyena Labante. Idrisham Yuddham. So therefore, to get such a situation is rare. You should have done some punyam. And also, even if you die in the war, you go to Swarga. To get such a situation is punyam. Out of punyam, you get to battle a yuddha, dharma yuddha. And even if you die in the war, for you the Swarga, the gate to Swarga is, the entry to Swarga is open. Yuddhe mritasya api Swarga Sukham iti twofold good things are there. Sukham are there. Therefore, so the Phaladvayam asti idrisham yuddham. This type of yuddha has got two types of phalam. Therefore, you are such a fortunate person to get this situation, and therefore, in such a situation, it is not proper to entertain shoka moha. It is a time to act. Iti Bhagavan says. Now the Bhashyam. Yadrichaya iti. It is rich dhatu. With yet you get yadrichaya. Means by chance. It's not a planned effort. By chance. And the Bhashyakara says, Aprartitaya. Aprartitaya. You didn't ask for that. There is no prarthana for getting this war. So it has come to you. It has a status of being without prarthana. Upapannam. Which is agatam. Swargadvaram. apavritam,
अपवृतम्
आवृतम्
udghatitam,
उद्घाटितम्
etat,
एतत्
ईदृशं युद्धं
ईदृशं
लभन्ते क्षत्रियाः
लभन्ते क्षत्रियाः
हे पार्थ
हे पार्थ
किं न सुखिनः ते
किं न
सुखिनः
सुखिनः
ते
यदृच्छया अप्रार्थितया without asking for this अप्रार्थितया उपपन्नम आगतम which has come this yuddha which is swargadwaram apavratam udghatitam means open. So this is the entry to the swarga, gateway to swarga. Ye tat idrisham yuddham, tat refers to idrisham yuddham. Ye tat those who idrisham yuddham labante, those who gain such yuddha, idrisham yuddham, who are they? Kshatriyaha. For the kshatriyas, ye kshatriyaha tad idrisham yuddham labante, he partha, o partha, kim na sukhinah te. It is it's a question. Kim is there, but question doesn't expect an answer. Aren't they fortunate? Kim na sukhinah te. Answer will be either am or na. Kim na sukhinah te. Are they not fortunate? Yes, they are fortunate. To get such a opportunity is comes only when a person has punyam. That's what you have got it. Therefore, evam, the next shloka.
एवं
कर्तव्यता प्राप्तम अपि
कर्तव्यता प्राप्तम् अपि
अथ चेत्त्वमिमं धर्म्यम्
अथ चेत्त्वमिमं धर्म्यम्
संग्रामं न करिष्यसि
संग्रामं न करिष्यसि
ततः स्वधर्मं कीर्तिं च
ततस्त्वधर्मं कीर्तिं च
त्यक्त्वा पापम् अवाप्स्यसि
हित्वा
पापम्
अवाप्स्यसि
एवं in this manner कर्तव्यता प्राप्तम् अपि कर्तव्यता प्राप्तम् अपि कर्तव्यता प्राप्तम् means kartavyata to be done, this which has come to you as to be done karma, kartavyata praptam api. So which in this manner, this war which has come upon you to be as said to be done karma, then what? Then Bhagavan says atha chetva mimam dharmyam sangramam na karishyasi. Atha chet, if you don't do this war, then the result will be papam. Gaining such an opportunity is punyam. Missing that opportunity is papam. Not doing is papam. Doing what is to be done. Doing what is to be done. It is in keeping. It is conducting oneself the order of Ishvara. And not doing is, even though you don't do anything wrong to get punyam, but not doing also is violating one's swadharma. That is equivalent to doing adharma only. It will result in papam. I didn't do, why should I get papam? No. Not doing is also considered to be adharma, and it will invite papam. We have called some papam called pratyavaya papam. Pratyavaya is not doing one's karma. That's a big argument is there. In some other context, Bhashyakara will say this Nitya Karma. If you don't do Nitya Karma, it will result in Pratyavaya Papam. There Bhashyakara takes a different stand and says Pratyavaya na vidyate iti. That is different. But here, from the standpoint of this doing one's dharma, it will invite Pratyavaya Papam. Pratyavaya Papam will take you to Naraka, not Swarga. If you do, it will take you to Swarga. And even if you die, Swarga Dwara will be Apavritam. If you don't do, you will invite Papam and Papam will take you to Naraka. Pratyavaya is Akaranam. Akaranam Pratyavaya. Not doing will invite Pratyavaya Papam. It is a special type of Papam. If you do the Yuddha, if you fight, then Punyam you will get. Punya Praptihi. If you don't do Akaranat, Karane Punyam. Akaranat Punya Praptihi. Akaranat Papa Praptihi. Therefore, from the standpoint of this gaining the Punya Papa, therefore Yuddham is Kartavyam. Kartavyata Praptam Api. Kartavyata Praptam Api. Atha Chet is supposition. If you don't do, on the other hand, Atha Chet Imam Dharmyam Sangramam is Yuddham. Tvam na karishyasi Chet Atha, on the other hand, Imam Dharmyam Sangramam na karishyasi Chet. If you don't fight this war, Tataha, then what happens? Swadharmam Kirtim cha Hitva. Hitva is giving up one's dharma and also your kirti, your fame. Arjuna is not an ordinary person. He is a known among the Pancha Pandava. The whole team dependent only on Arjuna. The valor of Arjuna only on his archery. Therefore, his kirti is well known. That kirti also, Hitva, forsaking the kirti, the glory, and also Swadharma, what you gain? Avapsyasi Papam. Papam eva avapsyasi. You will gain only Papa. So this is, the previous one was encouraging, and this one on the other side of, if you don't do, what will happen? The negative side of not doing. That is presented by Bhagavan here. So Swadharmam Hitva, Swadharmam Hitva, Kirtim cha Papam avapsyati. So you have to connect Swadharmam Hitva. Hitva you can connect to Swadharma, and Kirtim you can Kirtim Papam avapsyasi. Swadharmam, having forsaken your duty, and also Kirtim. Okay, Swadharmam Kirtim can go together. Because Kirtim is karma, Hitva is the Pratyaya. For that, the karma is Swadharmam and Kirtim. So they can go together. So forsaking the Swadharma and the Kirti, Papam avapsyasi. So what I said before, that holds good. The meaning itself can be taken. Now we can read the Bhashyam, the next one. Atachit iti. Atha Chet Tvam imam dharmyam dharmat anapetam sangramam yuddham na karishyasi chet tataha tad akaranat swadharmam kirtim cha mahadevadi samagama nimittam
Mahadevaadi
Samagamanimittam
हित्वा
Hitva
केवलं पापम् अवाप्स्यसि.
Kevalam
Papam
Avapsyasi.
These are simple shlokas. There is no much Vedanta here. It is only Dharmopadesha. Atha, on the other hand, Atha Chet, if Tvam, you, na karishyasi, if you don't do, if you don't take up what? Imam dharmyam, this dharmya, this righteous, dharmat anapetam dharmyam, sangramam yuddham. If you don't take up this dharma yuddha, tataha, then tataha it is there in the shloka. So tataha, which is tat akaranat, not doing. Tat akaranat, swadharmam kirtim cha. Swadharmam kirtim cha. So here Bhashyakara says, Mahadevadi samagama nimittam. Arjuna has got kirti, he is famous. Why he is famous? Because Arjuna did tapas. Arjuna did tapas to get the Pashupatastra. Pashupatastra he got from Lord Shiva. So he had the blessings, the Ashirvada of Maheshwara. So therefore, he's not a simple person. He was a very powerful person. He pleased Lord Shiva and got the Astra, Pashupatastra from him. So he had the vision of Mahadeva. By his tapas, he pleased and got it. And also, he went to Indraloka, and there he had got the blessings of all the devas and all. So he is not an ordinary person. Therefore, Mahadevadi Samagata Nimittam. By all this, he got the glory. He is well known. He is famous. He has got the Ashirvada of Maheshwara. So Mahadevadi. Mahadeva is Ishvara, Parameshwara, Shiva. Mahadevadi Samagama. Samyak Agama Nimittam. His fame is because of having come closer to Mahadeva, etc. His close encounter with Mahadeva, etc. He encountered Shiva, in fact. Lord Shiva wanted to test Arjuna, and therefore he appeared in the form of a Vyada, and all the story we know. So, the Nimitta, because of that, he got the Kirti, the famous. Hitva, giving up. Those Swadharma and Kirti, giving up. Kevalam papam avapsyasi. You gain only papam. You gain only papam. When? If you don't do your Swadharma. If you don't do your Swadharma, that is this Dharma Yuddha, if you don't do Kevalam, you will gain only papam. Not only that Swadharma Kirti, not only Swadharma and Kirti will go away. Also, what will happen? That is said in the next shloka by Bhagavan. Na kevalam swadharma kirti parityagaha.
न केवलं
Kevalam
स्वधर्म
Parityagaha.
Not only that swadharma and kirti parityaga will give you papam and all. Not only that. Giving up one's duty and fame, this is one thing. One more biggest disadvantage is there. What is that? Akirtim chapi bhutani
Akirtim chapi bhutani
katayishyanti te vyayam
kathayishyanti te vyayam
sambhavitasya cha kirtihi
sambhavitasya cha kirtihi
maranadati richyate. Kirti means fame. Akirti, infamy, ill fame. Akirti. Akirtim cha api. Bhutani. Bhutani is, we can take it as Manushyaha, Manavaha, human beings, living beings. Akirtim Bhutani Katayishyanti. Katayishyanti. They will talk, they will speak of. Katayishyanti, future tense, Rit Lakara. Bhutani Akirtim. Akirtim Katayishyanti. They will talk ill of you. They will talk ill of you. Te, for you, it is Avyayam. Katayishyanti te avyayam. They will talk ill of you. How long? Avyayam. Avyaya means that which is not declinable, which doesn't come down, which doesn't decay. That is called avyaya. Here avyayam is that it means they will talk ill of you for a long time. For a long time, they will speak ill of you. Yes, the history will record that you have run away from the battle, and it will be a blot. It will be a blot. So they will talk ill of you throughout. So human beings and others, they will speak ill of you. Akirtihi, na kirtihi, akirtihi. And also, sambhavitasya cha akirtihi. Sambhavitasya. What is sambhavitasya? Sambhavitasya purushasya. The person. Sambhavitasya denotes a person. It is Budhatu and Nijanta form and Ta Pratyaya, denoting the person. Sambhavitasya purushasya manushyasya. For that person, what type of a person is that? Samyak bhavitasya, who is well regarded, who is honored. Sambhavitasya means honored, who is well honored. For that person, akirtihi, this ill fame, this infamy is maranat atirichyate, which is maranat atirichyate. It surpasses even the death. It is worse than death. It is worse than death for an honorable person like you. This infamy is worse than death. If the person is not known, then there is no problem. Nobody will talk about that person. But if the person is famous and well known in the society, then for that person, the infamy will be worse than maranam, physical death, more than physical death. It will be very severe. It will be painful for Arjuna to face his society again, because people will talk ill of him. Therefore, this akirti, this honor is very important for a Kshatriya. Being a Kshatriya, for everyone, this respect is important, and for a Kshatriya, it is more. Therefore, Bhagavan Krishna, he attacks Arjuna with this honor, because Arjuna will, such a person, he will not compromise on this, giving up this honor. That garva is there, that pride is there in being a Kshatriya. Nobody, and people like Arjuna, nobody will give up this. People like Arjuna of stature will not be ready to give up this. Therefore, Krishna, it's at the right point. Akirtim chapi utani. Utani katayishyanti. Akirtim katayishyanti. Avyayam katayishyanti. Forever, long lasting. And what will happen to you? Sambhavitasya chakirtihi maranat atirichyate. It is worse than death. So therefore you have to fight. Now the Bhashyam. Akirtim iti.
Akirtim iti.
Akirtim cha api bhutani katayishyanti.
Akirtim cha api bhutani
Katayishyanti.
Te tava
Tava
avyayam dirghakalam kalam.
Avyayam dirghakalam.
So Bhashyakara helps. Avyayam is dirghakalam.
Avyayam dirghakalam.
Avyayam dirghakalam iti Bhashyakara says tells what is avyaya is. Avyaya is it, which is there in the shloka, which is equal to dirghakalam, long lasting. So avyayam is adjective to akirtim. Avyayam akirtim, long lasting infamy, ill fame. Akirtim cha abhibhutani katayishanti. We have seen katayishanti, the human beings, bhutani, human beings will talk ill of you. They criticize you. They will criticize you. When will they stop? They will not stop. Avyayam, dirghakalam, for a long time. For a long time they will criticize you. And for you, the sambhavitasya, that is said in the next line, we will read that. Dharmatma
Dharmatma
shuraha iti evam adibihi gunaihi sambhavitasya cha akirtihi
Sambhavitasya cha akirtihi
maranat atirichyate.
maranat
Atirichyate
Sambhavitasya cha akirtihi
Sambhavitasya cha akirtihi
maranam ityarthaha.
varam
Varam maranam ityarthaha.
Sambhavitaha. Sambhavitaha refers to the person who is honored, who is regarded, who is respected. Sambhavitaha. Sambhavita shabda. Tasya purushasya sambhavitasya. So sambhavitasya, that is dharmatma shuraha iti eva madibhihi gunaihi sambhavitasya. Sambhavita samyak bhavitaha. Sambhavayati. To keep one in high position. Arjuna is a respectable person. He is a dharmatma, a person of dharma. Dharmatma is a dharmika purusha. He is a dharmika purushaha. Dharmatma. Dharmikaha, dharmatma is here Bahuvegi Samasa, qualifying Arjuna. Dharmikaha Atma. Atma here is not Sachidananda Atma. Atma is Antakarana, mind. The one who has that mental setup, Antakarana. Dharmikaha Atma Antakaranam. Yasya saha Arjunaha Dharmatma. And he is Shuraha. Not only is Dharmatma, Dharmavan, but also he is courageous. He is Shuraha. Iti, thus, Evam Adibihi, with such Gunaihi, Adibihi Gunaihi, with such gunas, vibhuti, the glories, sambhavitaha, you have been honored by the society. Sambhavitaha. Akirtihi. Akirtihi is infamy, falling from this kirti. Na kirtihi, akirtihi. Akirti is only for the person who had kirti, not for the person who did not have any kirti. So akirti is the person who had kirti. For him, akirtihi, that akirti, falling from that position. Maranat atirichyate. It is worse than even that atirichyate. Atirichyate. Atirichyate is karmani. Maranat atirichyate. Rich dhatu, ati upasarga. Means to surpass. Atirichyate. It surpasses, it excels. It excels maranam. It means worse than death. Therefore, options are open. Either you fight the war or you die not the physical death. Physically you will not die, you will be living, but you will be disrespected. You will live with infamy. That is death, worse than death. So two options are there. Therefore he says, Sambhavitasya purushasya maranam varam. Maranam is better. Death is a better choice. Between two, what is the choice? Akirti and maranam. Maranam is better. Instead of not dying physically and having this infamy, better to die. Death is better choice compared to akirti. Kirti is loss of the prestige. Compared to that, Varam is better. Which is better? Maranam. Therefore, this prestige, this kirti is important. That honor is important. Pranam vapi parityajya manave vapi rakshatu. Anityo bhavati pranaha manastu achandratarakam. Pranam parityajya. Even pranam parityajya manam eva abhirakshatu. One has to protect the honor, even at the cost of the prana, the life. Why? Prana is anitya, whereas mana is, that will be there, achandratarakam. Till the stars and moons are there. So, the manaha, the honor will be there. Therefore, the choice between the prana or the kirti. Prana is anitya, anyway it will go away. But kirti, that will be there for a long time. Therefore, maranam varam iti Krishna says. Moreover, kincha bhayadranadu paratam amsyante tvam maharathaah yesham chatvam bahumataha bhutva yasyasi laghavam. Bhayat ranat. Ranat is yuddhat, sangramat. Bhayat ranat uparatam. Uparata means withdrawing. Uparata as part of sadhana chatushtayam, that is different. Uparati, uparama. This uparama is withdrawing from the war. Both are withdrawal only, but from what you withdraw, that is important. Uparatam, withdrawn. Mamsyante tvam maharataha. Yesham cha tvam bhagumataha bhutva yasyasi lagavam. So two kriya padams are there. Mamsyante and yasyasi. From the previous shloka onwards, it all in future tense. Rit lakara. You will gain. It will happen. Because saying Arjuna is not going to do anyway. That we know the story. The result. So if you don't do, it will happen. So future tense. Rit lakara. Mamsyante. Mamsyante is mandatu. It is mandatu. Rit lakara. Mamsyante. Similarly, yasyasi. That is also future tense. Rit lakara. Mamsyante. Mandatu atmanipadi. Therefore, mamsyante. Will think. Will think of. Will think of. Tvam mamsyante. They will think of you. Maharataha. Maharataha tvam mamsyante. Maharataha. Mahantaha rataha yeshante maharataha. Those who have great chariots, they are called maharatas. The first chapter, Maharathis were pointed out on both sides. The Pandava side as well as the Kaurava side. They have got huge ratha, great chariots. Therefore, they are called maharatas. Maharataha mamsyante. They will consider you. Tvam, you. Tvam is tvam. Tvam, you. Maharataha tvam mamsyante. What? Bhayat ranat uparatam iti. Bhayat ranat. You have withdrawn. Uparatam is withdrawn. Rana is the Yuddha Bhumi, Sangrama. Bhayat ranat uparatam. They will think of you as the one who has withdrawn from the Yuddha out of fear. Out of fear. Bhayat is Panchami, Bhayat ranat. So, Apadana Panchami. Bhayat ranat uparatam iti maharataha mamsyante. Even a person who cannot stand in front of you, he will also start criticizing you. What to talk of Maharatas? They all will talk ill of you. येषां च बहुमतः येषां चत्वं बहुमतः यास्यसि लाघवं भूत्वा यास्यसि या to go yasyasi you will go it means you will gain you will attain what lagavam lagu means small lagavam tadita lagavam smallness not in size that is you will become disgraceful lagavam will be taken as light nobody will consider to be a strong person anymore you will attain smallness bhagumatah bhutva bhaguman you have highly esteemed person in the eyes of those yesham cha tvam for those yesham bhagumatah bhutva tvam idanim lagavam yasyasi for those who have esteemed you very high for them now you will be very small you will be disgraceful for them you will attain smallness for the one who has considered you very great highly esteemed person therefore it is not proper to run away from the divar bayat iti bayat karnadibhyah ranat yuddhat
कर्णादिभ्यः रणात्
uparatam
उपरतं
nivritam
निवृत्तं
amsyante
मन्स्यन्ते
is equal to chintayishyanti
चिन्तयिष्यन्ति
na kripaya iti
कृपया
इति
त्वां महारथाः दुर्योधन प्रवृत्तयः
त्वां
महारथाः दुर्योधनप्रभृतयः
there panchami is there therefore the object must be there the object of fear who are they karnadibhyah karna is karna etc karnadibhyah bayat out of fear for karna etc karna the warriors like karna etc out of fear for them ranat yuddhat uparatam nivrittam nirvritam to understand the difference here it is nivrittam nivritti withdrawn nirvritam is engaging I told in some other context I think nirvritam here nivrittam uparatam is nivrittam one repa will make a difference will give the opposite meaning so uparatam here is nivrittam withdrawn mamsyante chintayishyanti future tense chintadatu chintayishyanti 10th gana they will think of you as that you are withdrawn from the war out of fear for karna etc not out of compassion they will not think that you withdrawn from the war out of compassion na kripaya iti tvam maharataha duryodhana prabhrtayah so they will therefore bayat karnadibhyah bayat ranat uparatam iti chintayishyanti not out of compassion if Arjuna thinks that he withdraws from the battlefield out of compassion then Bhagavan is correcting you may withdraw from compassion but people will not think Duryodhana prabhutayah tvam Duryodhana prabhutayah maharatah tvam katayishyanti lagavam they will take you lagavam for them for Duryodhana and others in this manner Duryodhana and others they will think that you have run away from the battle out of fear not out of compassion therefore yesham chatvam
येषां च त्वं
Duryodhanadhinam
दुर्योधनादीनां
bahubihi gunaihi yukte iti evam
बहुमतः बहुभिः गुणैः युक्तः
युक्तः इत्येवं युक्तः इत्येवं
युक्तः
इत्येवं
मतः बहुमतः
बहुमतः
भूत्वा
भूत्वा
पुनः यास्यसि लाघवम्
पुनः यास्यसि लाघवम्
लघुभावम् येषां च त्वं दुर्योधनादीनां येषां च त्वं यु दुर्योधनादीनां for Duryodanas etc. for Duryodhana and others बहुमतः बहुभिः गुणैः युक्तः बहुभिः गुणैः युक्तः इति एवं मतः बहुमतः in this manner the one who is endowed with many qualities बहुभिः गुणैः युक्तः, that is you have been highly esteemed as the one having many good qualities, different good qualities. For them, that is in the eyes of others, you are esteemed as a highly qualified, highly virtuous person. Now, having been that, then punaha afterwards, what happens? Yasyasi lagavam, lagubhavam yasyasi. You gain the quality of being small. Having been so great, esteemed, now you will become small. You will gain the quality of being small. You will attain smallness, fall into disgrace. So, lagavam is equal to lagubhavam. Lagubhavam yasasi. Punaha is after. Punaha separates before and after. Before you were bhagumataha. Bhagumataha bhutva yasyasi lagam. Bhutva is having become. Bhagumataha bhutva yasyasi lagavam. In the eyes of others, Duryodhana etc., bhagumataha bhutva bhagubhigi gunaihi yuktaha iti evam mataha bhagumataha. Bhagumataha bhutva, in the eyes of them, that you have been a person with many great qualities. Having been that, now, punaha, that is afterwards, lagubhavam yasyasi, you will gain smallness. Therefore, it is not proper to give up the battle and run away from the Kurukshetra and go into Rishikesh. Iti Krishna advises. He doesn't stop here. Then he continues. What will happen further? He says, Kincha. That we will read. The next shloka, number 36, we will read. All these are simple shlokas. There is not much commentary on this shloka by Bhashyakara. All these are simple shlokas. We'll stop here. We'll continue shloka number 36 in the next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you, Sharanji.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.